want to ask something with you. What do you think about the downtrodden people? So according to my view, where from we can get them, according to my view, as I know about them, and as I know that girls are not taking any types of education, that much they should have checked.
Now, if you are talking about the downtrodden girl, then actually that's you will also take an example of a Singapore and a old Jabdabad, because you know that's in that type of place there. You know, every day there is a man who is also just like facing a many problems of a poverty.
So what do you think about that? So it's just because of poverty. But according to my view, in now cities we are talking as like a Delhi, so it's a capital of India, and we have many types of facility which we can use, but even we are not taking. So who is responsible for that?
You know very well that this is not a matter that the India or the Delhi is the capital of India, because you know right that in a Delhi there is also many people who are also just like a poor, because you know very well that we can I'm also recently I'm also saying that in the Singapore in the old Jafrabad, you know very well that there is a many person who are also facing a many problem, because the many people is also
Mishra, I understood what you want to say, but why they are poor? Because they are not doing any type of work for their household.
How is it possible that they are not doing any work? They are also doing a right picking, and you.
Is it a good work for them?
No, this is not a good
and they
work
are
for
earning
them.
much more money for their running their houses.
No, this is not a matter, because you know very bad that the rag picking is also very bad. But to me that this is not a matter, because you know very bad that the rag picking also just like a earning of a money. But sometimes the person is also facing a many problem, because you know very that some person are detached. They are also enjoying the life very friendly. But you know very that they are talking about the dead girl. Then you know very that they will also go here and there, and on the road you will also take an example of Shastri Park. In the Shastri
Now
Park,
we are talking about the girl situation, so you know very well why they are like picking. Just because of their parents, they are not doing. They always think that our children are only for the earning the money. They don't think that if we will give them the education, so they will become as like a doctor, engineer. As you know about the Sunita Williams, who was she? She is a lady. So what do you think about that?
you know her parents are poor. They are not able to give education to her, because you know whether that they have no any work. That's why according to me that this is a main reason behind that. Then they are not educated. And if you know very well that if the government is also giving a many schemes to her for a poor girls, you know very well that just like we can.
What do you think about that? Yeah, I'm not agree with you.
You can also give an example of PM right?
Yeah, I'm giving you example. What do you think about that? They are not taking any education just because of poverty. But according to my view, in nowadays, governments also has planned many types of facilities and policies. If we talk about the government schools, so there is no we have to pay the as much fee that much we will have to pay in the private schools. So and ulta.
You know, I'm not think about any government school, because you know very that we can also take an example of PMKVY. You know very well that the PMKVY Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana is a very good policy which is also ruled by our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And you know very well that in that PMKVY the government also giving a many courses just like a beautician, just like a training, and they are very
even they are giving the scholarship in the government school. So why we are not able to taking the education?
I'm not saying about anything about the government school, because you know very well that in the government school there is no any type of facilities for the girl.
So where
you know the Abby girls, Abby girls also bunk the school.
It's totally depend up to us. If we want to do something in our future, so we will have to concentrate
Why
on
this is
that
also
now.
depend up to, because you know very well
What you want to be in your future?
I want to become an IAS.
So why you are not hanging here and there?
Because I want it, that's why I'm not hanging here and
Just
there.
because of
I'm
that,
also
no?
only
Just
focus
because
on my study.
Yeah, recently I was trying to say that it's totally depend up to us. What we want to do and what we want
But
to
you
become in
know
our
very well
future.
that the friend circle is also depend on you. If you are suppose that you are sitting in anywhere with a friend circle, and one girl who is alcoholic, and they will also say that you want chance of a dad.
So
That
like
I think on a dad day you will also think that, oh my god, what is this? I want to
How
check
can
it.
you judge me? How can you judge me?
Because
Recently I was saying
every
that
person also check it.
No.
Every person wants it.
If someone will offer me, so on that time definitely I will deny that I don't want to take any type of thing.
Oh my god, I think you are also just a simple lie. You are also speaking a lie
We
here and
shouldn't
here.
talk as like rubbish talk. So we were talking about the girl situation. So what do you think about the Asian time where from we get that in that time? So they weren't able to taking any type of education.
You
Why?
know-
Because in that time, the all people thinks that girls is only a machine to do household work. So
Yeah,